By 2030, the metaverse value is predicted to increase to more than $5 trillion. Dating, gaming, healthcare, education, finances, and business will be impacted significantly by the development of the metaverse. McKinsey & Company, a well-known global management firm, published a technology report on the possibilities of the metaverse. The report states, the metaverse is simply too big to be ignored. By 2030, McKinsey estimated that over 50% of live events could be held in the metaverse. Global leaders and decision-makers are bullish on the metaverse. Many see a metaverse beyond gamification. There are many examples of why many believe that the metaverse is the future. The metaverse will change education from watching lessons to experiencing them. This will increase knowledge and critical thinking. We could give students first-person and galaxy experiences in the metaverse. Students could float through the circulatory system to see the size of arterial walls as plaque builds up due to heart disease. We could transport students to ancient Rome or the Great Wall of China. The learning experiences are endless. Immersive education can be so realistic and interactive that students learn skills and intuition like a virtual internship. Metaverse is the future of education. In December 2022, CoinWire surveyed over 10,000 crypto investors and found that metaverse sentiment will affect social life, finances, business, and education. At the January 2023 World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, a panel of experts discussed how the metaverse could be used in healthcare and retail. Ericsson's Senior Vice President and Head of Business Area Technologies Åsa Tamsons said this technology has major use cases in healthcare, automotive, and consumer electronics. Tamsons said huge retail and consumer goods companies are working on how to use this metaverse technology to improve and shorten the time for employee onboarding and training. The Middle East remains interested in metaverse development. In January 2023, Abdullah Al-Swaha, the Minister of Communications and Information Technology in Saudi Arabia, said, "The digital world that we live in today is not fit for purpose in the 21st century." Recently, during the LEAP conference in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the Saudi Arabian government signed a memorandum of understanding with Sandbox to develop a metaverse project. In January 2023, it was announced that LG Electronics partnered with Orbit and Pixelinks to bring the metaverse to viewers' living rooms. The collaboration will allow LG TV users to explore interconnected virtual worlds, concerts, and AI multiplayer games, making metaverse interaction easier. Additionally, Microsoft has obtained 158 metaverse-related patents in the past 5 years. The metaverse is the future. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to click like and subscribe.